Welcome to our channel. Looking for the perfect espresso machine to kickstart your mornings in 2025? We've rounded up the absolute best options for every budget and lifestyle. From beginner-friendly machines to pro-level setups, we've got you covered. Make sure to stick around to find the one that suits you best. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and where to buy. Let's dive in. Number 6. The Breville Bambino Plus is a compact yet powerful espresso machine that brings cafe-quality coffee into your home. With its sleek black stainless steel design and space-saving dimensions, 7.6 inches by 12.5 inches by 12.2 inches. It's perfect for any kitchen countertop without sacrificing performance. Equipped with Breville's 4-keys formula, this machine ensures professional results. Its thermojet heating system heats up in just 3 seconds so you can enjoy your coffee faster. The 54mm portafilter holds 19 grams of coffee for a full-bodied espresso, while the low-pressure pre-infusion ensures balanced flavor extraction. The precise PID temperature control guarantees consistent results for every cup. The automatic steam wand delivers barista-quality microfoam, perfect for enhancing flavor and creating latte art. The adjustable milk temperature and texture settings make it easy to customize your drinks. The auto-purge feature maintains optimal brewing temperature for your next cup. User-friendly with 1 and 2 cup options, the Bambino Plus is ideal for beginners. Number 5. The Philips Series 3300 fully automatic espresso machine is a premium choice for coffee lovers who crave convenience and variety. With its glossy black design, this sleek machine delivers 6 cafe-style beverages, including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and iced coffee, all at the touch of a button. The Latte Go milk system froths milk effortlessly, even plant-based options, ensuring a creamy finish every time. Its ceramic grinder is designed for durability and maintains consistent flavor, while the AquaClean filter minimizes descaling maintenance, lasting up to 5,000 cups with proper care. The Silent Brew technology significantly reduces noise, making your morning coffee routine more peaceful. The guided descaling and removable brew group further simplify maintenance. At just over 17 pounds and compact dimensions, it fits comfortably in most kitchens. The included Home ID app provides tips and recipes, enhancing your coffee-making experience. User reviews highlight the machine's ease of use, variety of drink options, and consistent performance. Number 4. The Breville Barista Touch BES880BSS espresso machine is a premium choice for coffee enthusiasts seeking a versatile, high-quality, and customizable coffee experience. Its sleek brushed stainless steel design complements any kitchen, while its compact 12.7 inches by 15.5 inches by 16 inches dimensions make it easy to fit on countertops. With 30 precision grind settings and an integrated conical burr grinder, the machine ensures you get the perfect grind size for every cup. Its automatic milk frother consistently delivers velvety microfoam, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and latte art. The touchscreen interface simplifies drink customization, allowing users to adjust grind size, milk texture, and temperature for a personalized beverage. The Barista Touch's reliability is a standout feature. Many users report flawless performance even after years of daily use. While it requires a manual tamper, its magnetic design makes it easy and efficient to use. At 21.8 pounds and 1680 watts, it's robust yet user-friendly. Number 3. The Philips 4444 series. Fully automatic espresso machine is a powerhouse for coffee lovers seeking variety, convenience, and quality. With 12 customizable hot and iced coffee options, including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and iced americano, it caters to every coffee craving. Its sleek black chrome finish and compact dimensions make it a stylish yet practical addition to any kitchen. The Latte Go milk system produces velvety froth effortlessly, even with plant-based milks, and cleaning it is a breeze. It disassembles in seconds and rinses clean in under 10 seconds. The Silent Brew technology ensures a quieter brewing experience, making it ideal for early mornings or shared spaces. The ceramic grinder ensures durability and consistently fresh coffee with every cup. Equipped with the AquaClean filter, the machine minimizes maintenance by allowing up to 5,000 cups without descaling, ensuring purified water for optimal taste. At 17.63 pounds and 230 watts, it's a compact yet powerful machine with user-friendly features like guided descaling and a removable brew group for easy cleaning. With excellent performance, versatility, and ease of use, the Philips 4444 is one of the best price-to-quality espresso machines available. Number 2. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo ECAM29084SB is an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts who value convenience, customization, and quality. With its sleek silver and black design, it adds sophistication to any kitchen, while its compact dimensions, 17.32 inches by 9.45 inches by 14.17 inches, make it easy to fit on most countertops. The machine offers 7 one-touch recipes, including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced coffee, and customizable drinks through the My Latte feature. Its conical burr grinder provides precise, consistent grinding with 13 adjustable settings, ensuring optimal flavor extraction for all coffee varieties. The Latte Crema system delivers creamy, textured milk froth, including plant-based alternatives, and can be stored in the fridge for added freshness. For iced coffee lovers, the Over Ice recipe adjusts brewing to create a balanced, bold, cold drink. Maintenance is simple, with removable, dishwasher-safe components and an auto-cleaning feature. With a 60-ounce capacity and 1250 watts, it's both powerful and efficient. Number 1. The Breville BES870XL Barista Express is a top-tier espresso machine for coffee enthusiasts who want cafe-quality beverages at home. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design, it's both a functional and aesthetic addition to any kitchen. The integrated conical burr grinder ensures fresh grounds for every cup, while the low-pressure pre-infusion optimizes flavor extraction for a balanced, rich espresso. The machine's digital temperature control PID delivers precise water temperature, ensuring consistent results. For milk-based drinks, the manual steam wand allows you to texture microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos or experiment with latte art. The grind size dial and adjustable settings make it versatile and user-friendly, catering to beginners and pros alike. Included accessories like the tamper, stainless steel milk jug, and filter baskets add convenience, making the Breville BES870XL an all-in-one solution. Its 67-ounce water tank and half-pound bean hopper capacity mean fewer refills. At 22 pounds, it's robust yet manageable. While the price reflects its quality, this machine is a worthy investment for anyone serious about crafting barista-level coffee at home. Thanks for watching our review of the best espresso machines 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coffee content and product reviews. Let us know your favorite espresso machine in the comments below. Check out the links in the description for more details and the best deals. Until next time, happy brewing!